Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. As you know, we are living in an EV revolution. We are seeing more and more electric vehicles being sold, and I do think that this industry will continue to grow quite well, but all these vehicles will need to be charged. So we're going to be talking about in this video one of the best EV charging stocks, which is ChargePoint, and I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to share this page with others. And also, I do have that free Lucid stock for you down below using my link to Moomoo. Also, stay till the end of this video and I can show you how you can get a potential of $17,500 in free stocks. These are incredible opportunities. Do not miss out on these. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about the EV market and the EV revolution. Just year over year, we have seen 109% increase in sales in electric vehicles. Just last year alone, in the year 2021, we have seen 6.5 million electric vehicles sold worldwide, and I do think that this will continue to grow. We have also seen a lot of brand new EV startup companies, and the competition is starting to get fierce. We have seen brand new companies such as Lucid, Rivian, Polestar just coming on the market, but in addition to those, you still have Tesla, and you still have other electric vehicle companies from legacy automakers such as Ford, GMC that are starting to add to the race. But this being said, a lot of these electric vehicles will need to be charged. Right now, we have seen huge movement in the electric vehicle charging space, and I definitely think that long term, this will be a very good industry to get into because these vehicles will need to either be charged at home or they will have to be charged in charging stations around the world. ChargePoint is one of the best electric vehicle charging companies, in my opinion. Right now, it is the largest in North America. It has over 163,000 charging stations in the United States and Canada, and it's also expanding into Europe. ChargePoint has established itself as being the leader in electric vehicle charging. It is a software and a hardware company. It does sell charging systems at home and commercially as well. In addition to this, it does have a lot of revenue on subscription basis charging systems, so it will continue to grow and continue to do well into the future. It definitely does have a lot of stiff competition, but it is right now currently the leader of the electric vehicle charging systems. Currently, ChargePoint does lead all EV charging companies in total revenue. And just to show you this, you can see that right now, ChargePoint does have a lot of competition, but it is the leader in the market by total revenue. You can see that ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT, did get $204 million in revenue. It does beat out EVgo, Volta, and Blink Charging by quite a bit, which you can see EVgo got 19 million, Volta 28 million, and 15 million Blink. So this does definitely give the edge to ChargePoint, and I definitely think that ChargePoint will continue to be the leader in the EV charging space. Now, the key with ChargePoint is going to be its future revenues. We have seen that just the last year, they did make $208 million in revenue, beating out the competition by quite a bit, but future revenue is where it's going to be. We are knowing that there's going to be an exponential growth in electric vehicle sales coming from all over. How are these vehicles going to be charged? Well, I do think that the majority are going to be going through ChargePoint. And this article from Seeking Alpha does show and speculate that ChargePoint will have an expected reach of $378 million revenue by the year 2023, which means it's currently valued at a price to sales ratio of 12. So it's actually a very nice price to sales ratio because you can see that there is going to be an exponential growth in expected revenue because there's going to be a lot more electric vehicles on the market. So I do believe that ChargePoint is going to be the leader in electric vehicle space, but I did want to talk about some risk factors that you do need to be aware of before purchasing this stock. There are several. The first one being that ChargePoint is going to have stiff competition. As you can see right now, currently it does have the best revenue of all the EV charging systems, but there is a very big player in the EV charging space now, which is Tesla. Tesla has an enormous infrastructure in supercharging systems around the world, and they'll definitely take some revenue away from ChargePoint. Just last year alone, they did start allowing non-Tesla users to charge on their systems for a fee. So that's definitely going to hit ChargePoint's revenue. Also, you do have a lot of automakers that are starting to look into having solar powered vehicles, such as Fisker is looking into that technology, and Apthera as well is starting to look into having an electric vehicle that is solar powered. So definitely these will take big hits and definitely will take some revenue away from ChargePoint. Well, next I did want to talk about ChargePoint and how its stock is doing, as I do believe it is at a very nice buying opportunity. It is below $20 and it has great future potentials. Now, that being said, let's look at ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. In the past one day, it is down 4.4%. As you know, on Friday, we did have a lot of fear in the news about the Russian-Ukraine conflict and that fear of a war potential. But in the past 5 days, we are actually up on this stock about almost 5%. We have gone as low as $13.32, testing a high of $15.39. In the past 1 month, we are still up about 4.5%, with that high being that last $15.32. We have tested a low on January 27th at $11.45, but in the past 6 months, you still see that we are quite a bit down. We have tested a high of $26, almost $27, just on November 17th was its highest point in November, had a very good month, but since then we have sold off actually to its lowest point of lower than about 58% down from its high on November 17th to its low on January 27th. So this stock has been hammered down. I do believe that it is at a very nice buying opportunity, but this will be a very, very, very long hold stock, as this will take some time for this company to get up and rolling and to get that infrastructure established. As you know, that they do have 169,000 electric charging stations worldwide. They are also selling private personal charging systems in home as well. So they do have that hardware that they are selling. Also, they do have that software, the subscription based, that increases their revenue. Now, that being said, this stock is at a very nice price given its 1 year forecast. So in the past 1 year, it has been down actually almost 62%. But as you can see, every time we hit $20, we have had this stock bounce back up. So we have tested a base at our low, a stabilization at $20, which is a very good price. Except for right now, we have actually gone way under that. So I do believe that this is a very nice buying opportunity if you are holding this stock long term. Its 52-week high is $38.50, so enormous upside potential. But I do think that this stock will have some nice futures ahead of itself. I do believe that once a lot of this fear, a lot of this uncertainty and doubt is ironed out, once we get the supply chain issues settled, once we get this clarity and this Russia conflict resolved, I definitely think that EVs are the future, and this will be a very good stock to own, as the EV electric vehicles will need to be charged. Now, switching over to tip ranks, we do see that there are 11 analysts on Wall Street that have reviewed this stock. They are giving it an average of a moderate buy. 7 are giving it a strong buy. The highest price target was given at $37, with the lowest price target in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, as $15, but that average is $27, which is again 96% upside from now. Just looking at the lowest price target of all the analysts that are looking at this stock, and these are in the past 3 months, right now you are still getting this stock at a very good deal at $13.81. Remember, we did hit that low of $11.45, so we could retest some of those lows again, especially with this volatility in the market. But again, in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, the lowest price target is $15, so it is still trading right now a lot lower than that, which does give you a very nice potential upside on your money in this stock. But please always do your own due diligence, your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But I do believe that ChargePoint does offer very nice upside potential, especially since we are entering that EV revolution and we are only in the beginning stages of this. Right now, China is the best in the EV market. the best charging systems in the world. Right now, the US has a lot of catching up to do to get our infrastructure moving and up and running. And I definitely think that this is one of the companies that will get us there. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. And most importantly, get that free stock using my link down to Moomoo. If you use that link down below, put in $100 into a brand new account, we'll guarantee you that free Lucid stock, and Moomoo will also give you up to $3,500 in free stocks. Also, I have a very great promotion from Webull. If you put in any amount of money into the account using my link to Webull, you will get up to 3 free stocks, each valued up to $2,300. So take advantage of these huge opportunities to get free stocks right now, as these are incredible promotions that I am running. Down below, I also have crypto.com. Just by opening an account, you can get $25 in cryptocurrency. And Coinbase down below, if you open an account using that link, put in $100 in trading cryptocurrency, will grant you $15 in Bitcoin. So take advantage of these huge opportunities. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Stay safe, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.